All right, here are the homework solutions to the compound interest questions. So $1,800 is deposited and earning 6% interest. How much will be in the account at the end of 18 years if the interest is compounded with the following frequencies? So first is quarterly, and then is weekly. So the formula is A equals P1 plus R divided by N to the exponent NT. Our original amount, our principal, is $1,800. Our interest rate is a decimal, is 0.06, and quarterly means 4 times a year. And then, oops, that should be a 4. And then for 18 years. Put that in your calculator. You get $5,258.08. Weekly, everything's going to stay the same, but the N changes. So weekly is how many times a year? 52. Everything else stays the same, and you would get about $5,297.12. So it's being compounded a few more times, so you get a little bit more money. Erica was given $300 on her birthday. She put it into a savings account that earns 3.75% interest. If she makes no other deposits or withdrawals, find her account balance after 10 years if interest is compounded with the following frequencies. So we're going to follow that formula. I'm not going to write it down again. So we started with 300. The interest rate is 0.0375. Semi-annually means twice a year, and then for 10 years. Put that in the calculator, and you get $434.98. Daily, almost everything's the same, except change the 2. How many days are in a year? 365. And then use your calculator. $436.49. $2,750 was deposited in an account making 2 3/4%, compounded weekly. Find the balance after 9 years. So we start with $2,750. 1 plus the interest rate is a decimal. Three-quarters is equal to 0.75, and then move the decimal. Weekly, there's 52 weeks in a year, times 9. $3,522.02. Use your calculator. Jason saved money. Not so much. He opened a savings account, 4% annual interest, compounded monthly. And then after 12 years. So we start with 1,700. 0.04. Compounded monthly is 12 times a year for 12 years. And that's $2,745.13. In January of 2003, Jalen deposited that much in earning 5% interest compounded semi-annually. No other deposits or withdrawals. Find the total interest earned by the end of December 2017. So first, let's use the formula to know how much is in her account. Started with that. Interest rate, semi-annually is twice a year. times how many years? 14 years, right? 15 years? Because the beginning of January, the end of December. So it's really not 14, but 15. Because it's the beginning of one year and the end of the other. So you add that extra year. So 15. That gets you $3,041.47. But the question asks for total interest earned. So then we take that amount, $3,041.47, and subtract it from how much you put in to begin with, and then what's left over. That's how much interest was earned over that time. In second grade, Eliza was given $500. The money was deposited into a savings account earning 3% annual interest, compounded quarterly. Find the account balance at graduation. So let's assume that she graduated when she was in 12th grade. So in 12th grade, so at the beginning of second grade, let's pretend it's the beginning of second grade to the end of 12th grade, or second to 12th. We're going to call that 10 years. So if she's in second grade, in 12th grade in 10 years, how much money would she have? $500, 0.03, compounded quarterly, that's 4 times a year, and then 10 years. And she would have $674.17. Moises was given a $1,500 signing bonus for his new job. He's going to invest the money in an account that pays 6% interest compounded continuously. That's this formula. So 1,500 E 0.06 and then 10 years. Use your calculator. $2,733.18. Suppose $2,800 is deposited into account, 2.5% interest compounded continuously. A equals PERT. We start with $2,800. The interest rate is 0.025 as a decimal. After 25 years, use your calculator. $5,231.09. Number 9. Find the balance of an account after 7 years of $600 is deposited and the interest rate is 11.25%, compounded continuously, and no other deposits or withdrawals are made. So 600 originally, interest rate is a decimal, 7 years, in your calculator, $1,318.74. All right, here's your last one for you. Jackie wants to invest $2,000 in an 18-year college fund for her new child. Option A has a 6% annual interest compounded bi-monthly. The second option is 7.5% interest rate compounded continuously. Determine which account is the better investment. Find out how much more she will earn by using that option. So one is 2,000, 1 plus 6% compounded bi-monthly. So bi-monthly is twice a month. That'd be 24 a year. And that's for 18 years. That option would give you $5,881.43. Obviously, the second option, it's even in there at a better interest rate. So let alone however else, this one's going to be better. But it's PERT. So it's 0.075 times Again, 18 years. So the second option would give you $7,714.85. If you subtracted these two, option 2 is better, right? So option B earns, subtract the two answers, it would be $1,833.42 more. All right. Good job doing your homework. PMath. Over out.